Hello friends, today I was not in the position to make a video for my YouTube channel because I was busy in some other activities. We have to do some other work. So I was not willing to make video, but then I thought that I have a little time. I should record a video for you because you are watching videos on this channel on daily basis, and our channel is about English learning. Here we give you tips about improving and learning the English language because we are non-native English speaker, and sometime when we speak we make mistakes in our speech. Then how can we correct those mistakes? Because when we watch videos of native English language speakers, they speak in a good way, they speak in a fast way that is not understandable in the beginning. When you are a beginner, you are learning this language and you are watching the videos of advanced level English speakers, and those their language English is their first language because their accent is different, our accent is different, and when we try to learn or when we try to listen the videos of those English language speakers, we face problems there. So I think and I suggest you that first of all, if you are starting learning English language or if you are a beginner, then I suggest you that watch videos of your native English language speakers wherever you living. The speakers of your country, those make videos in English language. You can watch those videos. In this way, I think that you can understand videos very easily, and because that accent is similar to your accent. And if in the beginning you watch videos of advanced level speakers, then there you will find your face problems while understanding. So I think that English learning is right now in this era very important because you know that we find lot of stuff, scientific books, other stuff on social media in English language. Most of the things when we browse or when we search on social media, we find the answers in English language. So it is very necessary if we want to get knowledge, if we want to improve our knowledge, if we want to know more about the world, then I think that English is a must to learn. So learn English language while living in your own country, because I think that some people travel abroad where the first language is English language, but they even can't speak the English language because they don't have willpower or interest to learn English language. When you lack the interest, you are not interested towards learning the language, you are not devoted towards searching the things, knowing about the world, about the new things, about the cultures of different countries, about the religions of different countries, the difference between two nationalities, then I think that you are not able to learn the English language. For learning, I think that inspiration is very necessary. And as I told you that if you are not inspired or if you are not willing to improve yourself in English language, then even if you live in a country where the first language is English language, you can't speak the English language in proper way. Most of the people, those never travel to such countries where the first language is English language, but while staying at their homeland, they are able to speak very good English language. What is the reason behind it? I think the reason is that they are interested to learn the language. When you are interested in anything, then I think that things will become easy for you to achieve. Otherwise, where there you are not interested in and you do such a work where you are not motivated or you are not interested in, then I think that you will face problems while doing those work. Otherwise, I think that if you are interested, if you are devoted toward learning the language, because common language is very necessary. And you know that what is the common language? I think that English is common language, and it is spoken all over the world. You know that mostly people around the world speak the English language. For example, your national language is different, other person national language is different, but you both want to communicate with each other. The only source of communicating with each other is the common language. And what is the common language? I think that English is the common language. It is also the international language, and with the help of this language, you can explore the world, you can discover the new things. So I think that get inspiration from someone, you can get inspiration, and you can learn this language. For learning, I think that right now you don't need any teacher. The best teacher is in your hand, in the shape of cell phone, because you know that with the help of social media, with the help of internet, you can search any queries which comes in your mind, and you will get the replies of those queries, because social media is available to give answers. Otherwise, I think that if you want to work on your accent, you should hire a teacher that will work on your accent. In this way, you will improve your accent. As I told you in the beginning of the video that don't worry about the accent in the beginning. Speak your own accent. Whatever the accent of your country is, speak in that accent. In this way, I think that you will feel ease to learn the things. Otherwise, when we see the people discussing of American accent or of British accent, in the beginning that accent is very difficult to understand. So first of all, master yourself in English language in your own accent. After that, jump to other accent, and then you will be able to understand the videos or podcasts of other nationalities, because you know that world has become the global village. Right now, you are not limited to your own place. You have to face the challenges of international world. So I think that to face the challenges of international world, English is a must. English is very necessary. So learn this language, improve this language, and if you feel any kind of difficulty, hire a teacher or go out with friends, those know the English language, discuss with them. When you will discuss with them in a spoken way, then this will be the good for you, because when you read the English, reading style is different, but you will have to do the practice. If you want to speak the English language, for speaking you will have to do the practice. So practice on daily basis. Do your practice in reading, writing, I think in speaking on daily basis. Spare some time from your busy life and learn English language. This will help you to improve your talent on international level, to grow your talent on international level. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button if you are new on this channel. Subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.